let me show you how you can achieve this super clean and modern looking desktop on your Windows 11 home screen. Hi, my name is Ryan and you're watching Android Explored. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be sharing you how I achieved this very super clean and modern looking desktop and how you can basically customize your home screen to look the same. Now with that said, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more content like this, as well as daily news on Android as well as Windows. And like this video if you like this video, and comment down below what you think of this setup. And with that said, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to be sharing with you the applications that we need to proceed with this tutorial. One is Windhawk, number two is rain meter, and number three is the wallpaper of choice. Now I'm going to be sharing with you all the links on the description down below where you can download the software, as well as this link to the specific wallpaper that I use. Now with that said, let's get onto the computer. So right now we are in the Windows desktop screen, and let's begin our tutorial. So first of all, we need to go to the Chrome browser or your browser of choice, and then you want to search for Windhawk, so which will then bring you to the Google search page, and click on Windhawk website, and then you need to click on download. Then it will basically download the installer. So once it's done, you need to go ahead and install Windhawk, and then after installing Windhawk, open it up and you will see this screen. So here are the mods that are basically available. You can go through them as well as explore other mods. So now the ones that we are interested in this tutorial is basically Windows 11 Notification Style Center, as well as Windows 11 Style Menu Styler, as well as Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Now once you have all three of these installed, you need to go ahead and click the details and settings, and then from the themes, please select the translucent shell and then save settings. So which then you can basically see from here that it's now translucent. So now go back and go into Windows 11 Start Menu Styler and details as well as settings, and you can basically from here find translucent start menu and save settings. Now you can see that it's now translucent, and yes, now then you need to go ahead and go into Windows 11 Taskbar Styler and then settings, and then basically you need to find simply transparent and save settings, after which it will glitch out for a second. If that is perfectly normal, so you just have to let it do its thing. Now you can go ahead and now you can see that the entire taskbar is now transparent. Now for now we are basically done with the Windhawk application. You can go ahead and minimize it, or you can go ahead and close it as well. Now let's find a wallpaper. Now I have currently downloaded the wallpaper of my preference. You can go ahead and simply Google search, or you can use Pinterest to download the wallpaper. But if you want the wallpaper that I have, so I will link it to you down below in the description, so you can go ahead and download it. So once you have the wallpaper downloaded, just simply right click the image and then set as desktop background, and there we go. Now the wallpaper is there. Now we have one more simple step, that is we need to do is basically hide the desktop icons. For that, right click on the desktop, go to view, as well as uncheck show desktop icons, and with that, this is the complete desktop setup that I have basically done. And if you like this video, please leave a like and go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below if basically you like the setup, or what else would you add to this setup. Now with that said, my name is Ryan and I am signing out.